For 30 years, I've led teams and projects across every creative discipline, agency and client side. And the best part has always been the conversations I've had along the way. Conversations with smart, interesting, and very human people. And so now I'm back with season 2, a new cast lineup with design leaders from Microsoft, Ancestry, Elsevier, Lloyds, Vodafone, Just Eat, BMW, Rightmove, Shell, British Airways, Barclays, HSBC, and many, many more. These are leaders working at the top of their game, and they're here to share their story with you. I'm Adam Jennings. This is Awaiting Approval, Season 2.
All I remember is it was absolutely bonkers, and it was literally probably one of the worst times to open. But hey, that's fine. There's never a good time, like they say.
We should just skip the thinking, start the doing, and then you can think and do at the same time. Do first, think later.
So it's always good to make our users happy. Happy users is going to be happy business.
Bring your authentic self to work, because when you find out what that is for you, then you will thrive and you will have the best time ever.
There's something about you imparting your knowledge to someone else. There's a legacy there that starts being created.
There's always going to be space for you to add value. Find it, because then you can embrace that space and that space will embrace you.
Pushing through uncertainty and doubt, just keep trying, really. Just keep going for it.
I used to chase. I've gone to a point in my life where I just accept it. I sit there welcoming it. Welcome everything. Don't chase anything.
It's that things should be dynamic. Design is an expression, it's a communication, it's there to help.
It's great to have a fantastic concept that is also well tested, but there's an ocean between this and bringing it to the market.
Sometimes the skill that you thought it's your superpower can actually break you. So it's about finding that balance.
Don't take no for an answer. You can design your own future.
Be kind to yourself, have some grace, feel all of those feels, but then don't self-sabotage and just keep going.
Think about what makes you unique and think about how you can bring it to the world.
We have to over-index right now with kindness because it's much easier to get mad. It's harder to stop and be kind.
You owe it to the project to give it the hours, to give it the attention, to do the great work. Because if those opportunities turn up and you don't do something great with them, they won't come back.
Humans are work in progress, and I think that work in progress yields better results if it's work in progress together. I think that's what we're doing here.
Kat Howe, Christopher Wing, Anjali Gajera Patel, Hema Mehta, Venessa Bennett, Joel Gill, Angela Arnold, Hardy Sidhu, William Barraclough, Odea Noble-Bouguet, Remya Ramesh, Sandra Gonzalez, Lucy Jackson, Dan Onufrishan, Lou Maxon, David Sheldon Hicks, Alberta Saranza. 17 voices, 1 season.
We could be here for a very long time, Adam.
Join me and my guests for Awaiting Approval, Season 2, premiering 4th of December. Available on all podcast platforms, including YouTube. Just search Awaiting Approval.